Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Stefanie. This is Misty, my tiny wagon, and my dog Ralphie. So in today's episode, I will take you through my setup process. I did that earlier today and a couple of things actually went wrong. So follow me through the steps. The first thing to do is to disconnect the electric and the chains from the truck. Just like nobody taught me how to build Misty, nobody taught me how to set up a camper. I'm still very new to the camper lifestyle, but I found a system that works for me. To disconnect Misty, I have to jack up the trailer hitch. For some reason, the leveler on the trailer itself with a wheel on it is not lifting it up high enough so I can unhitch. I was so focused on the video shot that I forgot a very basic step in the setup process. My gut feeling told me something's not right. That's why I kept checking the trailer hitch. And then this happened. Oopsie. Turns out I forgot to put the blocks behind the wheels because we're sitting on a hill slightly. Ta-ta! Found them! I'm gonna jack the thing up. That went straight in the ground. Just pull this out. And I can crawl in and sleep if I needed to. Well, today we're gonna set up completely with the levels, so I'll continue with the jacks. Last thing to do is to set up those jacks under the fold-out deck so it's a little bit more stable. and at the stairs. There we go. Next, I go inside and set up the dishes. I box the dishes away when I drive so they don't break and fall off the shelf. Sit in my hammock chair and I watch the hummingbirds.
Just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy.
Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you never ever miss another episode of Misty's Adventures. Hummingbird. Anyway, I hope to see you again on another episode of Misty's Adventures. Thank you so much.
We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm. Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon, side by side and through and through. No limit to what we can do. Oh, we know what we have. let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life.